Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the text-based formulas in Excel. So the text-based formula will help you convert this all the names into proper ideal format. So here we have a few names of cricketers which are not in the format which we wanted, right? So in order to get the right format, we will be using the text-based formulas here. I will be showing you 5 formulas here. So doing this task manually is very hectic because it is time taking. Because you can't simply write each and every name and do it manually. Instead, we will be looking at uh, so instead of typing all the names manually, we will be using few simple formulas with help of which you can convert all these names into ideal format. So this is the ideal format of a name, right? So starting letters will be capital and rest others will be small, and the space will be one single space, right? So this is the ideal format which we want. So to convert these names into our ideal format, let's use these formulas and see how we can convert them, right? Now, starting off with, we will be looking at the uppercase. So here we will be converting all these names into uppercase letters, right? So let's start with upper. Open the brackets, select the cell, close the bracket, and hit enter. Now you can see we converted the cricketer names into uppercase, right? So now let's move to the lowercase. So lower converts all the names into lowercase letters. All right, close the bracket and hit enter. Now you can see all the names have been converted to lowercase. Now let's move to proper. So once again select the cell, close the bracket and hit enter. So if you observe the difference here, proper is a combination of uppercase and lowercase, right? So in the proper we got first letter and first letter as capital and remaining other smalls, but still there is a space between each letters, right? So that is proper formula here. So it will combine both uppercase and lowercase and give you one format here. But this is not the format we want really. Double click on it and let's move to the trim formula. So let's see what the trim does here. So select the cell, close the bracket and hit enter. Now you can see in the trim formula it actually removed the spaces here. So whatever the spaces we had in the name here in the starting and in the middle, it removed those spaces and gave us this format. But still, this is not our format. Still, we have a lowercase and uppercase in the name, right? So still, this is not our format which we are looking for. So now, proper plus trim. This formula is a combination of proper and trim, right? So now let's write this formula to see if we get the our ideal format or not. The formula is equal to PROPR proper. Open the bracket, write trim formula here, TRIM trim. Open the bracket, select this cell, close the bracket, and once again close the bracket and hit enter. Now you can see after combining proper and trim formula, we got this. We got our ideal name, right? So this is our ideal name. If I double click, you can see all the names have been converted into our ideal format. So the first letters in the names are capital, and we also and also the spaces between the names have been removed, right? So you can see all the spaces in have been removed and the starting letters have been converted into capitals, right? So this is how you can use the proper trim formula. You can also use it vice versa, meaning trim plus proper. This also you can use. So the formula is in trim proper. On the bracket, select this cell, close the bracket, and hit enter. So the formula, so even the result will be same, uh, even though if you use it anyways, either you can use proper plus trim or trim plus proper, and the result will be same, right? So and that is how you can use the text-based formulas in Excel to convert the names pattern into proper pattern, proper ideal patterns. So I hope you understood this text-based formulas in Excel. So this is very handy whenever you are working with large data like this. So this formula will make your job easy, and within minutes you can convert all these names into proper naming format, right? So I hope you understood the formulas here. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will reply to your questions. Thank you.